welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm here in my house, own house. So let's open the fridge and some food. Hey, ay. So guys, my little cousin is here. So say hi. So I just got my food. It's raining, guys. It's raining so hard. Okay, so see guys. So guys, I'm just gonna go back to my room because it's so cold out here. Yan lang kayo. Okay. There is hard to lock. So I have no air conditioner. The air conditioner is not turned on because it's already cold. And yeah. Okay, this week, guys. Okay. Hi, guys. So, guys, I'm watching MSA. My brother. Hey! Oh, ba. Ay. Oh, wait. Okay, guys, look at this. Look at how the brothers. Oh my God.